What's up, guys? Coach Annora here. Time to step it out for 10 minutes together. But before we go, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. You know the drill. First and foremost, hop on your mini stepper, okay? We're gonna get on and we're gonna start moving and grooving in 5, 4, 3, 2, we go. All right, so this first minute, we're just warming it up. Now, what I wanted to do with this 10-minute workout is just kind of get a quick all-out cardio workout in together. So we are just stepping for 10 minutes straight, nonstop, no rests, but we're gonna play around with our speeds, all right? So we'll do easy speed, we'll go for like a medium speed, which is, think of it like if you were going for a walk versus a run, it's kind of like in that jog area, right? And then we're gonna go fast. And that fast is definitely gonna be a shorter, smaller step, really quick feet, okay? But we're still going nice and easy, warming it up right now. Mini steppers, they're small, compact, and a great way to get some cardio in a small home. Yeah, okay, space saving, wow, nice. All right, so this is our first minute of easy. So I want you to, even if you were kind of like taking it up a notch to warming up your body, slow it down here, cores in tight, and I want you to make each of these intervals different, okay? I should be able to look through this screen and know you're doing easy because we're doing it together, I know. But if I was just passing you by, I'd be like, oh, she's going at a pretty easy pace. Oh, that looks like it's a medium. Oh, wow, that's a sprint on a mini stepper if I've ever seen one. That's what I want from you. Yeah? Cool, I'm glad we're on the same page. Okay, so we're still easy. And then we're gonna pick it up to a medium pace for about 40 seconds, okay? We're gonna go in 10 seconds, hit that 40 seconds of a medium pace in 3, 2, and we pick it up. So I still got a pretty deep step. I'm still going in basically almost a full range of motion, just faster than that easy. When we get to the fast, oh, it's fast. We are pitter-pattering those feet. It's almost gonna feel like you're flutter kicking if you were a swimmer, okay? Just here. Now notice I'm still standing pretty tall. Shoulder blades are back and down, but I have a slight lean just for balance sake, okay? 10 more seconds, and then we're going for 20 seconds of fast. Here it is. Breathe it through in 3, 2, 1, and fast, fast. Pitter patter, press every single little step. Speed work, active arms here. Keep going. Ooh, I know, it starts to burn. You're like, wait a minute, what is this trickery? Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. 5, 4, 3, 2, back to easy. Full range of motion, kind of letting it move through those muscles now. This is our active rest. So, interval goes 60, 40, 20. 60 easy, 40 medium, 20 fast. And that's the deal. We do that 3 more times here, cool it down, we're out of here. Whew, but if you're like me, you need to keep it interesting, right? I couldn't just step here for 10 minutes. I mean, we could. I could tell you a lot of stories. We'd have a good time, for sure, for sure. But let's get the most out of these 10 minutes. Let's add some intervals into it, challenge ourselves. We're coming up on that medium speed in about 10 seconds. Breathe it in 3, 2, 1, we start to pick it up. So I still want to feel that almost full range of motion with my step. I'm pressing with my full foot, not just my heels, not just the ball of my foot, whole foot, pressing in. Slight lean, just very slight hinge forward. Nice, keep it going, keep it going. More than halfway through our medium, and then we go for that quick step. I'm gonna try to get a little lower with my quick step, add a little extra challenge. If you're with me, Join me in about 5 seconds. I know, it comes so quick. Keep going. And go. So I've come a little bit lower. I'm adding a little bit more quad work in here, getting into kind of almost a lower squat and pitter patter in those feet. Press fast, fast, fast. Now when I go for the fast, I still want to feel my full foot pushing, but you might feel a little more engagement into the heel. Ready? And bring it back to easy. Guys, we're basically halfway through this. Yeah, I know. 5 minutes down, 5 minutes to go. 2 more rounds of these. Cool it down. Golden. Yes. Woo! I hope you're jamming to some jams here, okay? And when I mean jams, I mean music. I don't know if that's like not cool lingo anymore, but that's, you know, my jams. Jam parties, you know, jam out. I could just be aging myself every moment of this conversation, but it's fine, because I'm gonna live to 104. Yeah, you watch. You watch. All right, here we go. Keep moving and grooving. Woo! Here we go. Medium pace in 3, 2, 1. All right, medium pace. Now we pick it up, full range of motion still, working that stepper. Now, if you are fortunate enough to be working on a Sunny stepper with me, remember you can intensify this by pushing up that step height, right? Add in a little bit more of a step height. That means when I go faster, it's gonna be harder because I'm going for a full range of motion for that step. Whew, okay, here it is. 10 more seconds here, and then we go into our pitter patter. I just like the word, I love the word pitter patter. I don't know where I've heard that first, but thank you, whoever wrote it first. Okay, here, go. Fast, fast feet. Ba, ba, da, da, like a locomotion. Da, 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 da. Now I'm really gonna age myself. Kylie Minogue, yes. Come on, baby, do the locomotion. Da, 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 da. Easy, yeah. Really, thank goodness that was gonna stop soon. Woo! Okay, last round. I know, I gotcha. You at first were like, oh, 10 minutes just nonstop. Step in, maybe second guessed it. Now, delightful. We broken it up. We told some stories. We talked about jams. Kylie Minogue. What else can we do? So much more. The answer is always so much more. But sometimes we only have 10 minutes. Is that an excuse not to move? No. An excuse to move. It's an opportunity. Yes, let's move our bodies, see what we got. This small, compact, lovely little machine can do that for you. 10 minutes, quick workout, heart rate's increasing, feeling good. We go for medium in 3, 2, 1. All right, let's pick up that pace. Still full range of motion, we're stepping. We're climbing that mountain, we're going up for a hike. This is a great piece of equipment if you are trying to get into hiking. Yeah, right? Building up that lower body strength, working on those steps. Emergency planning, you know? Climbing a big flight of stairs, I don't know. Lots of things. We're stepping all day long, guys. Our bodies are meant to step. Let's train it, and let's train it well. Whew. All right, are you ready? We got one more pitter patter together. Here it is, 3, 2, go. Quick step, quick step, quick step. Ba, 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 ba. These become more fun for me. It's like, ooh, can you raise your hands up? Oh my gosh, that is a whole new balance game. Can we get lower? Woo! It's like you're in a roller coaster. Wah, wah. Don't fall off. Keep your balance, keep your balance. 3, 2. Ooh, you felt that, right? Holy moly. Okay, easy. We're cooling it down, bringing that heart rate back down. Good news for you is we're basically done in a minute, less than a minute. More good news for you, you're on YouTube with Sunny Health and Fitness. There's stretch videos, do one. If you haven't already, download the app. Yeah, we have an app. Oh my gosh, you could come and hang out with me, do a whole bunch of workouts. Kettlebells, dumbbells, body weight, more mini stepper, recumbent bike. Oh my gosh, what a delight that is, okay? So if you haven't already, do that for yourself. Woo! So glad you guys joined me on this. I would love to know, comment below how many steps did you do in this workout? Yeah, we track it here. Yeah, put it down, comment below, let me know. I would love to know how many steps you got in that quick 10-minute burner. Thank you so much for joining. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you next time.